Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Axon 25G and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner task on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner, and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint works here fast and correct, and I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. But to unlock it directly, you should not simple touch it. You should hold it for a while, just with a long and hold method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.